Hello traders, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you a simple trading method that you can easily use. First of all, let me show you my account. This is my real account and you can see my current balance here. Now let's move to the chart. Here I have opened the EUR/USD currency pair and we will do trading on this pair. Now I will show you which indicators we will use. For that we will click on the indicators option. From here we will select Bollinger Bands first. This indicator will appear on the chart and help us understand the market movement. After that we will go to indicators again and select Bollinger Bands width. You will see this indicator below the chart. Now we will set the trade time. Here I am setting the time to 5 minutes. Next we will set the trade amount. Here I am placing a trade with $150. Now we will analyze the chart and place our trade. From here we can click the buy or sell button. As you can see, our trade has been placed. Now we will wait for the result. Today we will learn how Bollinger Bands work in the market. If you want to trade with Bollinger Band, you might better keep 6 sentences in mind. Firstly, if 3 bands go upwards, buy at the prices above the middle band. Secondly, if 3 bands go downwards, sell as the price is below the middle band. Thirdly, if 3 bands go horizontally, buy as the price is near the low band, and sell the prices near the upper band. Fourth, if the upper band goes upwards, and the lower band goes downwards, long trade is taken as the price is above the middle band. Short trade is taken as the price is below the middle band. Fifth, if the upper band and the lower band gradually approach the middle band, you might better not last trade and wait for the direction. A real trader isn't the one who wins every time. A real trader is the one who makes the right decision at the right moment. Here I placed a sell, and the market kept moving down. This is my account. Every trade I take is based on a plan, not a guess. And when the plan is right, the results speak for themselves. For more trading signals and strategies, join my Telegram channel. Link is in my YouTube profile.